You searched how to buy shares of Eos Energy Enterprises Inc., and this video walks through the basic steps. Eos Energy Enterprises Inc. is a grid-scale energy storage company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker EOSE. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically by uploading a valid ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker EOSE to locate the company quickly. Confirm you select the correct NASDAQ listing in the search results before opening the asset page. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ market, and ticker EOSE to ensure this is the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, then choose the amount you want to invest and select order options if available. Review the order details carefully and confirm the trade before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After the trade completes, your new position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform and learn more.